In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize forms using Tally. Whether you're gathering feedback, collecting data, or running a survey, Tally makes it incredibly easy to set up and manage your forms. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to make your way over to the Tally dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your forms. If it's your first time here, take a moment just to get familiar with the layout. You'll see various options and features all aimed at making your form creation process seamless and efficient. Once you're comfortable, look for the option to create a new form. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a fresh slate where you can start crafting your form. Right next to it, or perhaps slightly below, you should find an option labeled Use a Template. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of ready-made templates. These are incredibly handy because they save you the time and effort of starting from scratch. Next, browse the available templates. You can think of this as window shopping for a design that best suits your needs. Click on any template that catches your eye to see more details. It's like flipping through a catalog, getting a sense of how each option looks and feels. After you found the perfect template, select it by clicking on Use this template. This action will load the template onto your workspace. But here's where it gets really engaging. You're not stuck with what's there. You can edit the template to match your specific requirements. Change the text, adjust the questions, and maybe tweak the layout a bit. This flexibility allows you to tailor the form precisely to what you're looking to achieve. Once you've edited the template to your satisfaction, take a moment to review everything, look over the questions, ensure any instructional text is clear, and double check that the form will gather the information you need. It's always a good idea to preview the form to see it from the participant's perspective. This can help catch any minor errors or tweaks that might improve the user experience. And just like that, you've successfully created a custom form using Tally. Whether it's a simple feedback survey or a detailed data collection tool, Tally gives you the power and flexibility to make it happen efficiently. Remember, once your form is ready, you can easily share it via a link or even embed it on your website. So go ahead, explore the possibilities, and see how Tally can enhance your data collection needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime if you need a refresher. Until next time, take care and happy form building.